Hey everyone, in today's video we re-diving into the exciting world of Catizen Airdrop Pass Season 1 and how you can start earning Cati tokens right away. The Airdrop Pass Season 1 officially kicks off in October. 1% of all Cati tokens that have 10 million Cati will be distributed to Airdrop Pass holders. Ready to join? Be sure to check out the links below in the description and start earning. To earn Cati rewards, all you need to do is complete public tasks in the in-game task center. Every task earns you points, and the more points you accumulate, the higher your Airdrop Pass rewards. The system is completely transparent. You'll be able to track your earnings in real time throughout the season. So keep completing tasks to maximize your rewards. In this section, we'll dive into how to play Catizen, a unique game developed on the Ton platform that allows you to breed cats and earn game tokens. Once you're in, the game will guide you to acquire your first cats. Your main objective is to crossbreed these cats to create new, rarer breeds. Each cat generates $Kitty and $Fish tokens, which are essential for in-game purchases and upgrades. To manage your transactions and receive airdrops, you'll need to set up a Ton wallet. The game will help you through this process if you don't have one already. Maximize your earnings by getting involved in events and quests. This engagement can provide you with additional resources to enhance your gameplay. Focus on accumulating $Fish at the start. This will boost your kitty token mining. Automate tasks to make gameplay smoother, but keep your device on while it runs. Buy $Fish and $Kitty. Remember, the first purchase comes with a discounted fee, and you can earn $300 Fish for completing tasks. Now you know how to navigate and earn in the Catizen game. Remember, the more active you are, the more rewards you can earn. Up next is Vanilla Finance, a brand new feature within the Catizen ecosystem that allows you to earn through options trading. Vanilla Finance allows you to own 1 Bitcoin for just $10, making crypto investments accessible to all. Vanilla Finance Airdrop Telegram game is designed to be intuitive. You won't need any technical expertise to navigate the app and start earning rewards. Complete simple tasks and start earning tokens instantly. Crypto can be a risky space, but Vanilla Finance takes security seriously. Their app uses advanced encryption to safeguard user data, and each token distribution is transparently tracked on the blockchain, ensuring a fair and secure process. Finally, let's look at Bombie, a thrilling zombie shooting game within the Catizen mini-app ecosystem. It's a fun way to kill zombies and earn Bombie tokens. Bombie is the world's first zombie shooting meme game, where you slay zombies and collect rewards in a post-apocalyptic wasteland. As you fight through hordes of the undead, you can gather valuable in-game assets. As you battle through hordes of the undead for survival, instantly claim between $9,000 and $75,000 Bombie based on your account age, with an extra $3,000 Bombie for Telegram premium users. Defeat the apocalypse boss to share in 15 million tokens, and join weekly competitions for your chance to win part of $2 billion Bombie in prizes. How to play and earn. Launch the Bombie Airdrop app on Telegram and link your Ton wallet. Claim your free $9,000 to $75,000 Bombie based on your Telegram age. Battle through levels and defeat bosses to share in $15 million Bombie. Invite friends to battle the apocalypse and earn an extra $100k Bombie daily. Asterisk, no complicated rules, every Bombie goes straight to your wallet. Boost your invite level. That wraps up our complete guide to Catizen Airdrop Pass Season 1 and how to earn with Catizen, Vanilla Finance, and Bombie. Just a quick note, all the links mentioned in this video, including the Catizen Airdrop Pass, the game links, and the wallet sign-ups, can only be found in the video description below. Make sure to check it out to access everything you need. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on how to maximize your airdrops and game earnings in the Web3 world.